Dear students, it's a time to talk about a new topic, and the new topic from the new subject. This new topic has been taken from the JPSC mains examination syllabus, and I am talking about the paper number 6, where there are subtopics also, the groups, group A, group B, group C and group D, etc. So this question has been taken from the science and technology segment, and where I would like to put a question, and later I will explain also the need of the question and how to explain your views. But remember, this segment specifically requires some sort of scientific approach. That means you have to apply your scientific approach, and not only this, you have to also add some updated information so that you can frame answer in a very disciplined pattern. So let's see. So there is a topic over here, the S, science and technology. So here it is necessary to correct over there, science, SCINC, science and technology, technology development, paper 4th. I am talking about the paper 4th, that is sorry, paper 6th. Group E, this question has been taken from the group E segment and dedicated for the JPSC mains examination. And the topic is use of biotechnology in agriculture. So remember, there is a topic, there is a subtopic also mentioned over there, the use of biotechnology in agriculture. So what sort of questions related to this question may come in examination and how to write, this is the way of your expertise. So apply your expertise so that you can frame in a very decorative discipline. Your answer must be in a very concrete and a scientific with scientific approach also. So let's see what the question is. The question over here, how can biotechnology help to improve the living standard of farmers and animal breeding? The very simple question. Very simple question here. The how can biotechnology help to improve the living standard of farmers and animal breeding? That means an applied questions has been asked for you for this examination. But before coming in the main gist of this segment, main gist of this answer, it is necessary to know about the what is biotechnology. In Hindi, जो जैव अभियांत्रिकी जो है, अभियांत्रिकी वो क्या है वो आपको जानना चाहिए. That is biotechnology. So you know the biotechnology is the use of biology to develop new products, methods and organisms intended to improve human health and society. This is a very clear and very simple definition about the biotechnology. Biotechnology, often referred to as the biotech also, and it has existed since the beginning of the civilization. That is the intro. I am giving you intro of biotechnology. That biotechnology has existed since the beginning of human civilization, with the domestication of plants, animals and the discovery of fermentation also. So before coming in a main gist of the answer, it is necessary to write about the intro about the biotechnology. Little bit more information must be added over there. That early application of biotech led to the development of products such as bread and vaccines. However, the discipline has evolved significantly over the last century in ways. You must write all this type of information so that you can your answer must be more concrete. That manipulate the genetic structure and biomolecular processes of living organism. So it is necessary to write such type of information. Okay, and you know very well the in coming days or in recent years, the modern practice of biotechnology draws from the various disciplines of science and technology also. So after writing this content, it is necessary to come in the main need of this question. So what you write? You write over there, the biotechnology has potential to improve living standard of farmers by making contribution of farm agriculture biotechnology. So line by line you have to pay attention at board that what I am writing, and the same pattern if you will try to frame your answer, ultimately you will get a very good marks. So biotechnology has potential to improve living standard of farmer by making contribution in form of agriculture biotechnology. So here question is dedicated for agriculture biotechnology. So you have to frame your answer as per the need of question. Agriculture biotechnology is a collection of scientific techniques like the genetic engineering, molecular vaccines and the tissue culture that are used to improve plants, animals and microorganisms. You have to write as per the need of question. Okay. Later you write, what you write, the biotechnology can be helped to improve living standard of farmers in the following manners. So there are different manners by which biotechnology are being used for the betterment of the farmers. How they are using, you have to mention one by one their name and the points also. First one you are writing, use of biotech plants can produce more food or less land. Okay, use of biotech plants can produce more food and less land. By reducing the amount of crops lost to disease and pest, it can reduce CO2 emission from the farming processes. So these are the important points. The technical terms and technical scientific approaches also we applied over there, and it is necessary to draft in such a discipline. Okay, what again I am repeating now, the use of biotech plants can produce more food on less land. By reducing the amount of crops lost in the disease and pest, it can reduce CO2 emissions from the farming processes. Later you write, the amount of pesticides used to produce foods and the amount of water needed to grow crops. You have to write like this. This will help to reduce cost of farming. So by this manner, biotechnology is helping farmers for more cultivation and more profitable condition. Later you write the point number 2. The genetically modified seeds can have improved resistance to germination failure. Remember, such type of newly researches, okay, it shows that the genetically modified seeds can have a improved resistance. They have resistance. The modified seeds have such type of resistance that for the germination failure, it is necessary, so that the traditional approaches require some sort of scientific approach. So this leads to use of the conservation tillage, which help to conserve water from rainfall and irrigation. So this type of new researches which are being conducted by day, and it is being very fruitful for the farmers also. So which helps to conserve water from rainfall and the irrigation, increase water and absorption, limit soil erosion and the compaction also. Not only this, it reduces carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere and creates healthier soil. So biotechnology has such a vital roles to improve and for the betterment of farmer. So such type of experiment has been done by the scientists for the betterment of farmers. So what again I am writing is, what I repeating once, that the soil erosions and the compaction reduces carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere and creates healthier soil. This helps in maximizing crops yields and minimizing water uses. So it is a need of present time that how the biotechnology can applied in a agricultural format. Biotechnology can help to limit deforestation as the biotech crops produce higher yield and thus require less acreage to produce the same amount of product. Okay, so it is necessary to know such type of information which is scientifically requirement. Later the point number 4, what it says, biotech crops. Biotech crops enable farmers to benefit economically and allows farmers to grow crops in a more suitable manner. Fourth point you write over there, the biotech crops enable farmer to benefit economically and allows farmer to grow crops in a more suitable manner. The fifth point over there, biotech allows us to introduce specific genes to increase the nutritional value of the crops. You write as per the need of question number 5. Later you write, the farmers and ranchers can help plants and animals fight diseases and adapt to environmental stress and climate change. Okay, so systematically you have to present your knowledge and you have to present your informations, okay, as per the need of the question. So fight against disease and adapt to environmental stress and climate change. Seeds which are resistant to impact the global warming and drought can be developed by the genetic engineering. So these are the points it is necessary to mention. Later you write the next point over there. The biotechnology can be used to develop crop varieties that do not require water intensive cultivation. So due to scarcity of water, some sort of technologies have been applied by the scientists so that in a minimum water availability, the biotechnology, with the help of biotechnology, we can develop the crop varieties that do not require water intensive cultivation. Later the next point over there, it is also necessary to mention exotic and the endemic domesticated animals which are on the verge of extinction can be reproduced by the biotechnology with a better tracts than the ancestors. For example, the Murrah buffalo, okay, cloning done in Hisar, Haryana. It is a sign of the biotechnology. So it is very helpful for farmers also. Later you write, the commercial production of a lab meat can reduce burden on land. So this is a part of the first part segment of your answer. Later you develop the second part, the use of biotechnology used in animal breeding. If such question attach with your question that how the biotechnology help in animal breeding, so you have to add this point. The use of biotechnology used in animal breeding in form of artificial insemination, semen and embryo sexing, and cloning and the embryo transfer in the animal breeding program. Later you write, the artificial technologies of the inseminations are used to facilitate the genetic improvement of livestock. After writing this, it is necessary to write a concrete and the effective conclusion also. Here also you have to put the effective conclusion. What effective conclusion you are going to put now? The biotechnology can be used to make agriculture sustainable and economical, which can help farmers to improve their living standard. It will help India to ensure food security and decrease hunger and malnutrition and double the farmers' income and the agriculture export. So this is an effective conclusion about the biotechnology, that how biotechnology help the farmers to grow the more and more better cultivations and the more effective and more fertile, to make for their land fertile. So the question was the how the biotechnology help to increase the or to help the breeding of animals and the farmers, how it helps. So it was the brief information regarding this. So I tried my best to present of information, a scientific approach regarding this question, and I hope and believe that you will be satisfied with my performance. So if you are well equipped with information, and if you present your such type of information in your examination hall, surely, and I believe that you will get the very good marks. So I hope that you are attending my classes regularly. I am presenting a new topic. So as at last I say that if you have appreciate my initiative, then like my channel and like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Very soon I again bring the new topic which will be very helpful and beneficial for the coming examination. Till then, keep writing and keep practicing. Thank you.